Hey operators, be honest. How many hours did you waste last Sunday night building next week's schedule in a spreadsheet that blew up by Tuesday lunch rush? Understaffed on Friday night, overtime exploding on slow Tuesdays, good servers walking because the rotation feels unfair. Sound familiar? In 2026, restaurant labor scheduling software with real AI demand forecasting is a tactical weapon that is finally ending that chaos. I just published a full deep dive guide on this. Today I'm breaking down the brutal 2026 numbers, the exact capabilities that move the needle, and a simple 10-step checklist that you can start using this week even before you switch platforms. Stick around. This could save you thousands of dollars in labor costs and hundreds of hours of headache. The numbers that make the case. Let's get real with the data that hurts. By the way, my name is Matthew Coblin. I am the founder and CEO of HubPlate, the future of restaurant management POS systems. Let's get into it, guys. Let's get real with the data that hurts. According to the National Restaurant Association's 2026 State of the Restaurant Industry report, the industry is adding over 100,000 jobs to reach 15.8 million total employees, but filling them is brutal. Annual turnover is sitting at roughly 79.6%, and the average cost to replace one hourly employee is $5,864. That's a lot of money to train and replace employees. That includes recruiting, training, lost productivity, and the hit to guest experience. For a 30-person team, that's easily 6 figures walking out the door every year. Labor costs are locked in at 31.7% to 36.5% of revenue, depending on your concept. And more than 9 in 10 operators say labor, along with food costs and fees, is crushing their margins. 42% reported non-profitable locations last year. Managers still burn 3 to 8 hours every single week just building and tweaking schedules. Only about 7% are currently using AI for scheduling, yet 8 in 10 say technology already gives them a competitive edge. The gap is massive, and the operators closing it are the ones winning on profit and team morale. Why bad scheduling is quietly killing your profits and some real wins. Bad schedules don't just create chaos, they compound. Overstaff, slow periods, and you bleed dollars. Understaff peak, and you lose turns, tips, and guests. As we covered in our earlier guides on how to reduce restaurant labor cost and how to reduce restaurant employee turnover, every point you shave off labor percentage drops straight to the bottom line, and fair, predictable schedules are one of the top retention levers you actually control. Here's what smart AI restaurant labor scheduling software actually delivers. Faster table turns and higher revenue per labor hour. Many operators see 8 to 12% better labor efficiency. 2. Lower overtime and compliance headaches. Alerts flag issues before they happen. 3. Stronger staff retention means fair server assignments based on real sales mix, not favoritism, plus mobile shift swapping. 4. Mobile location sanity. Benchmark labor cost percentage across every site in real time. And finally, 5, and most importantly, you get your evening backs. No more weekend fire drills. Here are the 6 must-have capabilities in 2026. So what should you actually demand from restaurant labor scheduling software in 2026? Here are the 6 non-negotiables. 1. AI demand forecasting. Pulls live POS data, weather, events, holidays, and your history to predict needs down to the half hour. No more guessing. 2. Fair server assignment engine. Automatically balances high tip versus low tip sections and side work so no one feels screwed. Teams report 18 to 25% higher satisfaction scores fast. Number 3, mobile clock-ins and self-service shift swapping. Staff update availability and trade shifts from their phones, approval in seconds. 4, overtime alerts, break compliance, and one-click payroll exports. Stays legal and saves hours. 5. Live labor cost percentage tracking by day part and role. See exactly where you're over or under versus sales in real time. 6. 100% offline resilience and bring your own device freedom. Runs on the phones your team already owns. Internet drops, the floor never stops. These aren't wish list items. They're live today and deliver measurable return on investment in the first 30 to 60 days. So here's your implementation checklist. You don't need a full rip and replace win to win. Here's the exact 10-step checklist. 1. Audit your last 4 weeks, scheduled versus actual sales and labor percent. 2. Pull 90 days of POS data and map peaks. 3. Choose software that integrates with your current POS. 4. Upload team availability once. 5. Run one parallel test schedule. 6. Train everyone on mobile features, one 20-minute huddle. 7. Turn on overtime and break alerts immediately. 8. Publish the first AI schedule 7 days ahead. 9. Review labor efficiency every Monday. And 10. Tweak the rules based on real results. Do this and you'll see improvement before your next payroll. Here's the bottom line, guys. Stop reacting to labor chaos and start predicting it. Restaurant labor scheduling software turns your biggest cost center into a predictable profit driver while keeping your best people longer and serving more guests per shift. At HubPlate, we built AI role-based scheduling, fair assignments, mobile clock-ins, and one-click payroll directly into our flat-rate platform. Just $99 a month per location. 0 transaction commissions, full BYOD, bring your own device freedom, and 100% offline resilience. If you're tired of spreadsheet hell, head to hubplate.app right now and see how it can transform your operation in 2026. Drop your biggest scheduling headache in the comments. Overtime spikes, unfair rotations, weekend chaos. I read every single one. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tactical guide. Thank you guys for watching. Now go build a tighter, happier, more profitable ship. I'll see you on the next one.